So right here is what I mean by a nailer, or basically something to attach drywall to for this wall. It worked out where this is perfect right here, but if you take a look on the other side, you will see that when I put my drywall here, there's nothing to screw to right here. So I have to put a nailer in, but I have to do this electrical first. So what I would do if this electrical was done is I could do this one of two ways. I could probably still do it like this, all the way up, 2x4 on the flat, but I don't want to be in the way here, so I'm just going to leave it out. But I could also just cut another 2x4 for this wall and do it like this. That is also an option. But again, I'm going to leave it out. Now, on the other side, I have an interesting situation because this right here is framed for a pocket door. So I can't just put a 2x4 in here like this, and I can't even put a 2x4 in like this. In a different situation, I would probably do something like a 2x8 or two 2x4s on either side, because I do need one on the other side too. But what I am going to do is rip down a piece of 3/4 inch plywood to go from here all the way down. And I think that is going to be perfect. 7 foot. Let's see. That's gonna be perfect for both sides. Now, I can nail it from the back here. Now I got a nailer for both sides.